it's Melissa Tennyson from 3milelaneco, and today we're going to be talking about the office equipment and tools that I absolutely love using to run my business. Let's go. First of all, one of the absolute necessities that I need in order to run my business is my iPad. I use a 2016 iPad Pro 9.7 and a first generation Apple Pencil. This is the lifeblood of my business. If I had to choose one business tool, it would be this, because not only can I design digital products, I can also list them on the internet for sale and do all of that admin, email, all the stuff I can do with an iPad. Necessity number one. Necessity number two is a filming device, something that you can film with in order to show what you're doing. I have an iPhone 10, works just perfectly fine. Even an older version with a good camera is still fine. That is one of my absolute necessities. Not only is it my alarm clock, my calendar, my camera, my everything, but it helps to keep me organized, and I don't go anywhere without it. And of course, I wouldn't have a sticker business without my Cricuts. I do have two Cricuts. They are the Explore Air 2s, and they are both the black color. I absolutely love them. I have tried Silhouette, which I do have a Silhouette as well, but my husband uses that now. He is a PC user and I'm a Mac user, and I just find that the integration with the Cricuts and a Mac user is just easier to use. I also have my filming lights. I absolutely love the filming lights because when I'm doing videos like this, I can get more light in the room where it's typically usually pretty dark. So I have my ring light in one corner, I have a desk light in another corner, and I have a third desk light, which is actually at my husband's station, and that's what he is using. Something that you don't necessarily need, but it does make life a lot simpler and easier, is a computer. I do use a MacBook, and this one is from 2016 as well. It is fairly old. It's getting to the point where it's getting real tired. So I'm just hoping it can last a little bit longer for me until I'm able to upgrade. Another item that is super handy to have, but again, not necessary, is an external monitor. I absolutely love this Samsung external monitor. All of the items that I'm talking about in today's video, I will link down in the description box below. Click on our business favorites and you can find all of this on my Amazon list. I am an Amazon associate, so if you click on any of those links, I do get a small commission off of those. I just wanted to make sure that you are aware of that before you click and make a purchase. Another item that I could not run my sticker shop without is a printer. I actually have two printers. The first is my HP SmartTank Plus 551. This is a beast. I have not had to change any of the inks out yet, and I've had it for almost a year. This thing is amazing. It has great print quality, and I absolutely am in love with it. My other printer I've had for quite a while. I would probably guess 4 or 5 years. It is the HP Envy 4520, and that is what I use to print out all of my invoices and some of my packaging materials. Again, you definitely don't need two. I just wanted to upgrade my sticker printer, and so I decided to keep the other one as well, since it's still perfectly good and still prints great. Another item that you don't need but is super handy to have is a label printer. I absolutely love my Dymo 4XL. It is amazing. We did have some problems. We got off to a rocky start, but once I figured out how to properly put the labels in, we haven't had any issues since, and it has been a huge time saver when it comes to shipping out my packages. Another item that is not necessary but it makes life very handy is this rolling cart from Michaels. This rolling cart is amazing. I started out with a white Gramercy cart, but then I saw this rose gold, and you know that this girl had to have that color. So my husband now is using the old cart, and I am using this one, and I absolutely love it. A few more fun items to have in your workspace is a cork board and a dry erase board. I have two dry erase boards. One is very large and in charge. This is what I use for my Friday night games, and I have this other one here that says "You got this," and it has lists and priorities. I absolutely love it to help keep me on track. And the cork board, I don't have anything on yet, but there are so many times where I want to just pin something up really quickly so I don't forget about something, and I can't wait to put my first few items on it. Another item that I have in my space is this lovely little thing right here. This is what I use to clip my thank you cards that I receive from other small businesses, and any coupons that they give me, or anything that I just want to keep handy, or things that I really love the look of, so I'll just throw it up there for a little while so that you can see it in some videos that I post on Instagram and TikTok. And if you guys don't follow me over there yet, you're gonna want to, because I post a lot of really good stuff over there. And one of the biggest things that I am still working on myself is office organization. So I have a few different things that help keep me organized and have a place for everything. First up is my wall of shelves. This thing is amazing. I have a shelf for pretty much everything. I'm still in the process of making it the way that I want and making room for all of the additional inventory I will be getting very soon. I also absolutely love my pegboard. It is amazing. I recently got these bins, which I'm hoping to spray paint white once the weather gets a little nicer, and I use these for all of my stickers and magnets and keychains and buttons and all of those fun little gifts. And finally, my IKEA shelves. I absolutely love my IKEA shelves. I use them mostly for vinyl storage, as well as office supplies and different things that I need, but not on a daily basis. So I'll put them into the bins onto those shelves. And it makes life so much easier having everything organized and a place for everything. For filming, I absolutely love my Canon G7X. It is amazing. I use it to film this video right now. It's one of my absolute favorite cameras, and for vlogging, it's nice. It's really nice. I love it. You do not have to have a camera like this to film or do videos or anything, do YouTube. You can absolutely do all of that using an iPhone or whatever phone you have. I just wanted an external camera because it makes life a lot easier when I'm filming something and I need to reference something on my phone. I don't have to stop filming to see what I need to look up. So that's one of the biggest benefits for me, having another camera to film with. And stands. It's really important to have stands to hold not only your camera if you have an external camera, but also your phone for your doing TikToks, like a tripod stand or anything like that. I have lots of stands. So the first one is the stand that I use with my Canon G7X. It does have a few different attachments, but I use it primarily for the G7X. I also have a telescoping stand, which I absolutely it's just the best. It is the best. I use it constantly. And in fact, my husband has commandeered it, so I might have to buy another one because it's just that good. You can use this for filming TikToks, Instagram Reels. You can film YouTube videos with it. It can go anywhere. It telescopes, it tripods, it folds up. You can hold it like a selfie stick. It has a remote. It's just amazing. It's amazing. And I use it every day. Another stand that I use almost all the time is this Archon stand. It is really nice because it has an adjustable arm and it swings around. I can change the mount out so that it can either hold my phone or it can hold my G7X, and that's what I use to film a lot of my tutorials and my courses. This thing is awesome. I highly, highly recommend it. I did purchase the iPad attachment so I can put my iPad on it when I am filming. I can reference my iPad if I was to go live and stream on several different devices. I would be able to do that with this setup, and it's super, super nice. I think that just about wraps up this video. Those are just some of my very favorite tools and some necessities and some luxury items that I use to run my business. Now keep in mind, I did not buy all of this at once. That would have been very, very, very expensive. I have been in business of one sort or another for lots and lots of years. So I have accumulated all of this over a long period of time. So if you're just starting out, just the bare necessities that I recommend would be your tablet or iPad, something to create your art with, a printer, something that you can print it out with, and a cutter to cut out with. But you really don't even need those two. There are a lot of other options that you can choose. It just depends on what you are trying to do with your business. I hope you guys found that useful. comment down below and tell me what your #1 business item is. If you had to just grab one item from your office, what would it be? Don't forget to follow me over on TikTok and Instagram. I will leave my information right down here, easy to find for you. You can also go into the description box and click on my links there. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the bell icon so you can be notified when I upload next. I post tutorials or business style videos on Wednesdays and studio vlogs or day in the lives on Saturdays. I can't wait for this Saturday's video. It's going to be awesome, and I'm going to show you all about how I rearranged my office for the umpteenth time since I started this business. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye!